The portable charger cable requires a 120-volt outlet to plug into. This is the normal household outlet. It draws a maximum of 12 amps, which is below the normal rating for household outlets. The ideal location for plugging in the portable charger cable is in the garage. When doing so, make sure that no other items are plugged into the outlet. Do not use a power strip to plug in the cable. If you need to use an extension cord, it must be rated at 15 amps or higher. Failure to do so can cause the cord or outlet to overheat and possibly melt. Also, if appliances such as refrigerators or freezers are plugged into outlets in the same room as the outlet you wish to use, you will need to lower the charge level on the portable charger cable. This is because they're normally on the same circuit, and adding too much draw will cause the circuit breaker to trip. Some Hyundai charger cables feature a button to allow you to change the charge level. Depending on the control box, the button may be located on the rear of the box or in the front. Plug the charger cable into the wall. In the front of the control box, you will see the charge level indicated. Different control boxes will show the charge differently. To change the charge level, press and hold the button on the control box until the number blinks. Then press the button again to cycle through the charge levels. 12 will let you charge at 12 amps, the highest power level. Only use this when plugged into an outlet that has no other appliances plugged in the same room. While using 6 and 8 if available, will charge at 6 and 8 amps respectively. These should be used if you must plug into an outlet sharing a circuit with an appliance such as a refrigerator or freezer. 10 will let you charge at 10 amps. To set the power level, press and hold the button again. Just as when refueling a car with gasoline, there are other safety precautions that should be followed to ensure your safety. Do not expose the charging cable or box to water or touch the plug or connector with wet hands. Do not step on or drive on the cable or box. Do not charge when there is lightning in the area. Do not place the charge box near an object that can generate high temperatures. Do not drop the control box or place heavy objects on it. If the control box or cables are damaged in any way, or if any wires are exposed, do not use the charger. Do not attempt to repair it yourself. Your certified Hyundai dealer can make recommendations of repairs. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.